તાજા સમાચાર તમારી ભાષામાં મેળવવા માટે ડાઉનલોડ કરો ગુજરાતી મિડ ડેની એપ.
This is my 4 years of hard work today. After my 4 years of training, that is 3 years at ND and 1 year at AFA, finally I've earned my stripes and I've become an officer here.
हम दुआ करते हैं कि तौफीक रजा देश का नाम रोशन करे. नेशन फर्स्ट. जय हिंद.
It's a very proud moment for me and my family.
That speaks volumes about the hard work and dedication this boy puts in.
It's been a great journey because I've been in Sainik School for 7 years and then I've been to NDA for 3 and then it's 1 year here. So it's been a long journey but it was grateful.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. खुशी है.
Today is the very peak moment of my life as I have achieved my dream. Without my parents, this would not have been successful.
मुझे अपने बच्चे पे बहुत प्राउड है. बहुत मेहनती है. इसको शुरू से ही शौक था इस चीज़ का.
I'm Flying Officer Tawfiq Raza. I'm commissioned into the Indian Air Force into the Adam FC branch. Today I was first in order of merit in GDOC. I was the President's Flag Bearer. I was first in my Adam branch itself.
How has the training been and how do you feel today after being commissioned?
See, this is my 4 years of hard work today. After my 4 years of training, that is 3 years at ND and 1 year at AFA, finally I've earned my stripes and I've become an officer here. So it feels very good. The training here was good and in NDA it was quite tough, and coming to AFA professionally there was a lot of being professionally competent is required to be over here. So it was tough but somehow we managed to do it.
हमारे बुंदेलखंड से एक हमारा भांजा तौफीक रजा मंसूरी फ्लाइंग ऑफिसर बनकर ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं लखनऊ में, और ये खास तौर से मुस्लिम मंसूरी समाज के बुंदेलखंड वासियों के लिए बड़ी गर्व की बात है, फख्र की बात है. हम दुआ करते हैं कि तौफीक रजा देश का नाम रोशन करे. नेशन फर्स्ट. जय हिंद.
I'm Flying Officer Sri Hari Ravi. I'm from Tirunallur, which is a small village in Alappuzha district of Kerala. After completing my graduation in BSc Chemistry from University of Kerala, I've been working in many MNCs. During my graduation time, I was part of a National Cadet Corps, which is India's largest youth voluntary organization. I'm a C certificate holder. I've also attended RDC 2019 and I was part of Best Cadet of Kerala Lakshadweep Directorate. After my graduation, I worked in different corporate companies and at last I'm here. This is a very proud moment for me and my family. My family is with me right now. My father, Ravindran, he's an auto driver. My mother, Jayashree, she's a homemaker. This is my mentor, Colonel Rajnish Menon. He was my NCC training officer. And this is my friend, Rohit Patil. So we all are cherishing this moment.
I'm Colonel Rajnish Menon. I was in the NCC group headquarters at Kollam on deputation. That's when I met Sri Hari, a boy who was very focused and very dedicated, and a boy who never said, never say die attitude what he possessed. Because in fact he used to keep giving exams. AFCAT exam he's given it before also, but somehow due to lesser marks in the theory he was not put in the merit. So next time when he cleared it, he came up with flying colours and he was All India rank number 7. So that speaks volumes about the hard work and dedication this boy puts in. So now during our job at the NCC is to inspire and train cadets to become good officers in the defence forces. So Sri Hari is one of those boys who is an inspiration to everybody, every young boy in this thing. If Sri Hari has done it, everybody else can also do it.
Myself Jagbir Singh, Flying Officer Jagbir Singh. I am from Jammu, J&K. I've done my schooling from Sainik School Nagrota. Then I have joined ND after it and then came to Air Force Academy. And it's been a great journey because I've been in Sainik School for 7 years and then I've been to NDA for 3 and then it's 1 year here. So it's been a long journey but it was grateful to have a result like this in commissioning Indian Air Force.
How do you feel today, sir?
It's really very happy. As I said, that it was long. I was waiting for it since very much long time. So after getting commission, wearing rank and especially wings, for which I have worked really hard. It was really good to be here today.
कैसे लग रहा है सर?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. खुशी है.
I am Flying Officer Pulkit Ratra. I am from Jammu district of Jammu and Kashmir. So today is the very peak moment of my life as I have achieved my dream. Without my parents, this would not have been successful. I would like to thank them and all of my training staff. My father, he is a tailor and my mother is a homemaker. And I am trained on Fighter Controller branch of Indian Air Force. and I will undergo professional course of 4 months in Air Defence College, Lucknow. And after that, I'll posted to stations.
How has the training been, sir? How long was the training? How was the training?
See, the training for the ground duty course is 1 month, and for flying branch is 1.5 years. So we undergo rigorous training and very hardships. But together here we have with everyone, like there are hundreds of people together, like-minded people. So it get through. So it's a fun. So this is the day we all worked for, and this is our day.
मुझे अपने बच्चे पे बहुत प्राउड है, बहुत मेहनती है। इसको शुरू से ही शौक था इस चीज़ का, बचपन से ही इस चीज़ का शौक था और इसने करके दिखाया।
સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરો ગુજરાતી મિડ ડે, બેલ આઇકોન પર ક્લિક કરીને મેળવો તમામ વિડીયોના ડાયરેક્ટ નોટિફિકેશન।